Jordan, the throw off. Catches it.
34 all day.
Ooh. Oh! Look at the fat boy run! Oh!
Damn.
He walked on him.
Right now you on offense, though.
Charles, you're on offense.
This is so wet.
You on offense.
You're on offense now, Charles. Go. Charles, you walking the wrong way. Fat boy got jukes so bad he don't know which way to walk. You walk. You go this way. There you go. Now you walking the right way. And there's the man that did it right there.
All day, 34.
34, y'all heard that. Look for his number. Oh, he dropped it. Oh, Charles wants to get fucked up. Charles wants to get fucked up. Oh, shit. That was funny.
Me and you.
All right, Charles.
Me and you, Charles. Jordan, throw it up. You know, I was getting too tired. I was beating.
It's just like wet.
No.
All this time my shoes.
Watch this go. Go.
Damn, that shit look far as hell when you threw that. Damn, how far you threw that? That shit look far. On camera watching, I'll show you. Zoom out.
No.
Broken tackle. Walking on him. Walking on him.
That was sweet.
Walked in there. Who's next? Who's on? Oh, Charles, you on offense now?
Come on, Mr. Vic. Come on, big boy. Hey, just run him over. He too small. He too small. Just run him over. Yeah, wait for him to get the ball first, Derek. Wait for him to get the ball. Go. Go, Charles.
Oh, fumble.
No, you can't be holding on to him like that.
Oh, wait.
Oh, Charles, talk about where he's scared.
You understand? All right.
Come on.
Ain't got all that. We don't got all that room on the camera.